For many men, these natural morning erections begin to fade after the age of 50. And with them comes energy, confidence, and a quiet sense of masculinity. But the truth is that your body is still capable of strong and reliable mornings if you give it the right support. And sometimes, the answer is as simple as adding the right natural powders to your nighttime routine. I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and today I want to share with you 3 natural powders you can take before bed to help fuel testosterone, boost circulation, and wake you up with stronger, more reliable morning erections. These powders are safe, natural, and easy to add to your nighttime routine. Stay with me until the end, as I will explain how they work together and how to take them for the best results. Before we dive into the powder, let's talk about why morning erections are so important. They are more than a sign of desire. They are a reflection of the health of your body. Strong morning erections show that your blood vessels are flexible, your circulation is strong, and your testosterone is active. When they start to weaken, it's often a warning sign that something in your system, whether it's hormones, blood flow, or recovery, isn't where it should be. The good news is that you can often restore this natural signal by giving your body the nutrients it lacks. And that's where these powerful powders come in. The first powder I want to share with you is beet powder. Beetroot may seem like a humble root vegetable, but it's one of the richest natural sources of dietary nitrates. Once inside your body, these nitrates are converted into nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is the same compound that relaxes and widens blood vessels. When blood vessels are open and flexible, blood flows more freely, oxygen supply improves, and circulation reaches all parts of the body. Without nitric oxide, it's almost impossible to achieve firmness, no matter how much you want it. By taking beetroot powder at night, you are essentially preparing your body for better blood circulation during the night. This support for nighttime circulation is important because your body uses these hours of rest to repair tissue, rebalance hormones, and prepare for the day ahead. When blood flow is stable and steady, your body can deliver oxygen and nutrients more efficiently, not only to the heart and muscles, but also to the pelvic area, where erections depend on strong circulation. Many men who use beetroot powder constantly notice that their erections become stronger, more frequent, and easier to maintain. Some even find that their energy levels and stamina throughout the day improve because their blood vessels work more efficiently. The good news is that beetroot powder is very easy to use. You can mix a teaspoon into a glass of water, blend it into a smoothie, or even blend it with a warm herbal tea before bed. It may take some time to get used to its earthy flavor, but combining it with lemon juice or a small amount of honey can make it much more enjoyable. The key is consistency. Incorporate beetroot powder into your nighttime routine. A simple teaspoon before bed can help your body prepare for healthier circulation and more reliable blood circulation in the morning. The second powder is maca root powder. This remarkable root grows in the Andes where the air is scarce. The soil is rich, and the people who live there have used it for centuries as a natural energizer and fertility booster. Traditionally, maca was valued for its ability to improve endurance, improve mood, and support vitality in both men and women. Now, modern research has confirmed many of these traditional uses, showing that MA can help maintain hormonal balance, reduce stress, and increase libido. Now, here's the interesting part. While MKA doesn't directly increase testosterone levels as some people think, it helps the body use hormones more efficiently, improves the balance between testosterone and estrogen, and supports systems that regulate reproductive function. This means that instead of flooding your body with hormones, it helps optimize what you're already producing. The result for many men is stronger performance, more frequent cravings, and better morning responses. MKA also has a powerful effect on energy and stamina. Many men who use it regularly describe feeling not only more interested in intimacy, but also more capable when the time comes. It helps reduce fatigue, sharpen focus, and improve endurance. Taken before bed, MKA can calm stress hormones like cortisol, which are known to interfere with testosterone. Reducing cortisol at night allows the body to slide into a deeper, more restful sleep. And this is important, because testosterone is produced during deep sleep. When you sleep well, you give your body the opportunity to restore hormonal balance more effectively. You can mix a teaspoon into hot milk, mix it with herbal tea, or add it to a late-night smoothie. Its flavor is slightly nutty and malty, which many men find pleasant when mixed with honey or cinnamon. Over time, maca nourishes the body, reduces stress, and makes erections not only stronger, but also more reliable. The third powder I recommend is ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha is an adaptogenic herb, which means it helps your body adapt to stress. And stress is one of the biggest enemies of strong erections, as it increases cortisol, the hormone that directly interferes with testosterone. High cortisol at night means a drop in testosterone in the morning. Ashwagandha helps reduce cortisol, calms the nervous system, and promotes deeper, more restful sleep. At the same time, it has been shown to promote healthy levels of testosterone, muscle strength, and vitality. For men over 50, this combination, less stress and stronger hormones, may be just what the body needs to restore morning wood. You can take ashwagandha powder by mixing it with warm milk or relaxing tea before bed. It has a slightly earthy flavor, but mixing it with honey or cinnamon makes it much more enjoyable. With regular use, many men notice not only stronger erections, but also more energy, a better mood, and better recovery. Now, let me put all of this together. Beetroot powder feeds nitric oxide and circulation. Maca powder improves hormonal balance and desire. Ashwagandha powder reduces stress, supports testosterone, and improves sleep. Each works in a slightly different way, but together they create a powerful foundation for better blood circulation, healthier hormones, and stronger morning erections. The beauty of these powders lies in their simplicity. They are natural, easy to find, and simple to prepare. Adding them to your nighttime routine doesn't require drastic changes. Just a few small steps that, over time, can completely transform the way you feel in the morning. So, here's my advice. If you're a man over 50 and want to get back to stronger mornings, start by giving your body what it needs. Add beetroot powder for circulation, maca root powder for stamina and balance, and ashwagandha powder for stress and testosterone support. Take them regularly before bed, combined with good sleep, hydration, and a balanced lifestyle, and your body will respond. My name is Charlotte Hayes, and I want to thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for clearer, more practical tips on men's health, prostate care, and natural vitality after 50. Remember, your best mornings are not behind you. They can come back when you give your body the right